Alright, time to
and then we'll kind of start.
win the game.
Dude, who's this freaking all fucking Kinos, dude? I told Kulafo to kick him out.
Gas laws. As I already kind of talked a little bit about, gas laws is going to involve pressure. It's going to involve temperature. It's going to involve volume. And these are all the kind of the words that we're going to be using at some point in time when we talk about gas laws. Some of them are the names of the gas laws.
Bro, you like my chemistry class?
Yeah, it's great.
And some of it is, the collisions of their elastic
Bro, he
collisions,
doesn't want to join.
straight line motion.
Bro, join the game.
We're going to
Okay,
use a barometer to help measure the pressure. So these are all kind of words that we're going to be using. Absolute. So that's why this was kind of a cool little deal to.
Dude, I don't understand. I have lower ping than this guy, but he's X-Wing.
Now I'm going to give you a couple of definitions.
Legion Bavarian.
For some terms that we'll be using here. I don't know. I have not put this on Canvas yet, and I will be putting it on Canvas hopefully this afternoon. Because we kind of need it. Okay, so pressure. Pressure is just a force exerted over a given area.
Why
we
being
talk
put
about
on
pressure,
time?
that we're measuring. It's the force that is exerted, let's say, against the sides of a container.
Bro, chemistry is so good.
It's given area. So that's going to be our definition for pressure. Now, gas pressure. This is just a little bit different than the force exerted over a given area. Gas pressure is just going to be the result of the simultaneous collisions of billions of gas particles on an object. And we're talking about a huge number of gas particles that are exerting a pressure. That's creating this force of all these collisions of these gases, because they're always constantly moving. Gases do not stop. They're always constantly moving, and they're bouncing off of things. They're bouncing off of each other. So and this movement is changing direction. So that's why now we've got gas pressure.
Dude, that's why I want to use my sword.
Air pressure is a little bit different than gas pressure, just because we're measuring the collisions of air molecules of air, not just some random.
Dude, it's a fucking all.
We're talking about what makes up our air would be nitrogen and oxygen and carbon and several other different gases are going to be colliding with each other to put a pressure or a force on objects. And a barometer. A barometer are instruments that are commonly used to measure atmospheric pressure. That's why when the weatherman says the barometric pressure is 700 and something millimeters of mercury, or whatever unit they're using, they always say, they're big. Not all weather people are have deep voices, but they present to this. This is a fact. This is important. And it is important. Barometric pressure, measuring the air pressure. That's going to be telling you when you're going to have changes in the weather.
Bro, I swear, our team is feeds. They're dying of Robriano Azimio.
Sunshine.
I'm pretty
winds, or
You're so bad.
The two high and low pressure areas collide. That's when we're going to
Bro.
get those really crazy
Crazy.
I mean, there's some. I've lived in more than several states, and I have not seen thunderstorms like the thunderstorms that we get here in Texas. They're just so strong and so dramatic and tornadic
Bro, I can tell no
that,
resistance to
you know,
teacher.
they're
That's
really
just
kind of impressive.
Yeah.
Strengths of nature, I guess, forces of nature. So barometric pressure is kind of important in your
Dude,
life.
what?
You're not
Dude,
holding
Connor's
barometric
cheating.
every day.
Bro, Everton's cheating. What is happening?
bro, I'm cheating.
No, you're neg.
That's a
No, watch this.
one type of barometer.
Oh, Kino stole my
No,
kills.
yeah, the ult's cheating for you.
I can't see what units are.
I was in front of him.
What units are. Let's
He
see.
just takes all the kills somehow.
Bro, fucking Umsby, dude, he's so blatant.
So, okay. Now the first gas law that I'm presenting to you is basically the easiest.
Dude, what?
It's Dalton's law of partial pressure.
Length is sus.
Now, this law, all it involves is adding and subtracting. That's how easy this law is. But, as easy as this law is, sometimes you guys have a hard time recognizing that the problem you're supposed to be working deals with Dalton's law. We'll see if we can clarify Dalton's law just a little bit. Okay, now this is kind of wordy. Add a constant volume
Bro,
and
Kino
temperature.
actually sus.
Now I'm gonna explain this
Yeah.
part right here.
Bro, Connor just back killed me.
Certain
He might just be
variable. They're
No, he's not. Like,
pressure,
he's dog.
temperature. And until we get into the more advanced gas laws,
Dude, what? He just walked into me, like.
one of those variables at a time. So usually the first thing in the problem is telling you what is
Dude,
not
I can't tell if I'm washed or if these swords are just that bad.
It's the swords, dude.
temperature's not changing. So this is
They're
not
bipolar. They don't do damage half the time.
in the problem because they're not changing. So we kind of put them to the side because we don't have to deal with them changing. So this is saying at constant volume and temperature, the total pressure
What?
exerted
What?
by the mixture of gases is going
Dude,
to be
these swords are so
equal
bad.
to the sum of the partial pressures of
What?
each of the gas. Alright, so we have again our volume and temperature off to the side. We're not dealing with that. What we're dealing with is pressure. Now here we're talking
Dude, why is
about
Fatso playing for Legion Bavarian?
what the total pressure is of a mixture of gases. Because like our air is a mixture of gases, so we want to know what either the total pressure
Dude,
is
Connor! Just fucking 10! Ooh.
of one of the gases specifically. We are going to use Dalton's law of partial pressures because the total pressure exerted by the mixture of the gases is equal to the sum
You're kidding me. I'm garbage.
of all of the partial pressures of each of the
What?
gases.
Dude, these swords are so bad. If I can't kill Roriano Azimiel,
Bits and pieces that make up the whole. So we're going to be adding the pressure of, let's say, nitrogen plus the pressure of oxygen.
Dude,
plus the
what?
pressure of
like, I have 60 ping, he is 180. How does that work?
hydrogen would be a good, so we're going to add up all these little pressures to give us the total pressure.
Can
Or,
I use
if we're
slash
given
downs
the
2
total
to
pressure,
respawn quicker? Or
we can figure out what are one of the pressures.
Yeah.
you can. Okay, I'm gonna start using that.
For Dalton's law of partial pressures is P total. That's the pressure of the total
Dude, what?
number of
Fucking
gases.
slips in their exploits, dude. Literally, he's exploiting.
Pressure of gas number 1 plus the pressure of gas number 2 plus the pressure of gas number 3, and so on and so on and so on, up to however many gases that you have.
Dude, I swear, it's Connor. He's fucking cheating.
But this P is the partial pressure of gas number 1. And let's say this would be nitrogen. Partial pressure of gas number 2, that would be equal to oxygen. And the partial pressure of gas number 3, which could be hydrogen. Okay? So to sum, if the total is given, wait a minute, what am I? Okay. If I want to figure out what one of the partial pressures is, and if the total is given, you're going to subtract all the partial pressures from the total to get the pressure of the
What?
gas. I hope I can understand. Listen, I don't. If the total is not given, you're going to add all the partial pressures together to get the total. That's pretty simple. And here's kind of showing that a partial pressure of oxygen
Dude, no.
is
What?
150 millimeters of mercury, 159 millimeters of mercury. The partial pressure of nitrogen.
These, you know, these swords are bad when fucking Roriano's fucking tog fragging.
Together, put those specific volumes together,
Like, dude, he's such a feed. What the fuck?
and we're going to have a total pressure of 752 millimeters.
Dude, why is Legion Bavarian such feed?
That's for the mixture right there. So we're going to add.
It's like they just have the exporters to carry them.
Dude, that guy's, he's not legit.
What the fuck?
Really careful with are the units.
Oh
The
my
units
god.
all have to be the same.
I'm
You
actually,
can't add
actually mad.
10 to millimeters of mercury. That's and in some of the problems, they're kind of trying to trick you up. They'll give a partial pressure in
Bro, your
millimeters of
teacher's so
mercury
fucking.
and a partial pressure in atmosphere.
Dude, this
And say,
kid's
what's the
cheating.
I'm not saying, hey, look, we've got different units here. You have to be observant enough to see that we have different units, and you need to make them the same. Alright, so here we have the pressure of mixture of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Yeah. And
Dude,
oxygen.
you just see the chat, it's just us.
Kilopascals. Okay. So that's the total pressure, because it's just the pressure of a mixture of. It's going to be 150 kilopascals.
Pressure.
What is the partial pressure of oxygen if the partial pressures of nitrogen and carbon dioxide are 100 kilopascals and 24 kilopascals respectively?
Why is everything like that?
So we are given the
He's
total.
cheating. Like, he literally has Sir Hurt.
Well, we start looking for other numbers of units. We see we have 100 kilopascals, so that's good. And we have 24 kilopascals. That's good also.
Oh,
Dude, everyone's just fucking doing it now.
So all you have to do is
I'm
add
getting sub down.
subtract. This
Next
is what we're
6.
going to do.
Gifts of calm, dude, it's so
We'll
brilliant.
take the formula, the pressure of the total pressure is going to be equal to the partial pressure of nitrogen plus the partial pressure of carbon dioxide plus the partial pressure of oxygen.
Okay, I was just blind.
And then you just start plugging in your numbers.
Dude, the chat.
50 kilopascals is going to be equal to 100 kilopascals, which is the partial pressure of nitrogen given to you in the problem here, plus 24 kilopascals. That's going to be the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, again given to you in the problem, 24 kilopascals. And we're asking for the partial pressure of oxygen. So you can set this up several ways, and it
Dude,
really
what?
doesn't matter which way you set it up, as long as you eventually isolate the partial pressures of oxygen.
No, I'm actually kind of like.
What I did is I brought over
What?
50 kilopascals. And I
Dude,
subtracted
literally, he just spins and he kills people. That's not how that works.
Oh, let me test that actually.
You could have added this together
You're
and
right.
then
That's not how that
subtracted
works.
it.
Yeah, that's not how it works.
Do it this way. Whatever way, algebraically, makes it
Like,
easier.
dude, what? He just back killed me. What?
So
Yo, he's
What?
fighting.
What?
He's fighting.
that the problem can be approached.
Who
So
is
we
this?
do
Who
our
is this
math
guy?
here.
Lift? What the fuck?
And we find out that the partial pressure of oxygen is going to be 26 kilopascals.
Dude, what the fuck?
How did Mammoth even touch me?
Get that by subtracting 100 from 150.
Fucking dirty cheaters, so bad. They're getting their ass beat. They have to turn it on.
So to get to 26 kilopascals.
Actually, turn it up. They've been using it the whole time.
Partial pressure.
Bro, what?
You can only solve for
Dude,
one
they
partial
instant kill me
pressure.
when I fucking damage them. They're still alive.
Lymph is actually broken. No, that's dumb.
Okay, so that's Dalton's law of partial pressures. You are going to be told that the temperature and volume are constant.
Dude, no,
Look
what?
at him.
No,
Look at
no, no.
We will only have volume.
Dude, he's so blatant. He turned it on.
With the total pressure and some
He's still
partials,
dying to nephew.
or some partials, and you having to figure out what the total is. You're going to have several pressures there, but no volume and no temperature variables. Now we come up to Charles's law. Again, this was named after a scientist, Mr. Charles. I don't remember what his first name is. He does have a first name though. Okay, the volume of a fixed mass, it's telling you that the mass is not changing, is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature if the pressure is kept constant. Okay, so in this
Dude, no, he's cheating. What the fuck?
mass and pressure are going to be held constant.
Bro,
There's
feeds.
not going to be any values for mass and pressure because they're not involved with the calculation. What we're going to be dealing with,
Bro, nevalus on top, dude. We're so good.
Kelvin. All gas law calculations, temperature has to be in Kelvin. So don't be putting Celsius in there because it's not going to give
That
you
was just such
the
a
correct
good
answer.
plan.
Dude, we're so good. We're better than Eclipse.
No, you're not.
These are laws.
Dude, we fucking just cleared this clan, dude.
Raid Eclipse first one.
No, it's rigged, duh.
What?
You guys never win except for defenses.
Who told you that?
Everyone.
Temperature.
Actually?